Hello students, welcome to Durga Digital Teaching System. I am a math teacher and today we are learning Countdown 6. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from Durga Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is find the prime factors of the following. So simply you can take LCM of this number from smallest digit to largest digit. So we have digit 360. So we can divide it by 2. So 2 180 the 360. So we can write 180. Then 290 is a 180. We can write 90 and then 245 is a 90. So we can write 45. Then 45 is not comes in the table of 2, so we can use the table of 3. So 315 the 45, then 35 the 15, and then 5 is not comes in the table of 3, so we can write 5. So 5 on the 5. So our factors of 360 are 2 comes in 3 times, then 3 comes in 2 times, then 5. So we can say 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So this is the factors of 360. Next question is find the HCF of. So simply you can write the highest common factor of the following. So we have question 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 3. So we can write 2 2 times and 3 3 times. Then next is 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 5. So we can write 2 times 2 and 3 2 times, then 5 one time. Then we have next is 3 power 2 multiply 5. So we can write 3 2 times and 5. So simply we can take common values of both three values. So 2 is not common in three values both because 2 comes in value 1 and value 2. 3 number value has not contains the digit 2. So 3 has common because 3 comes in all three values. So first 3 we have can take common, then 3 2 times comes in common of both three values. So we can simply multiply 3 multiply by 3. So 3 3 is 9. So this is our HCF. Next question is find the HCF of the following by using prime factorization. So again we can take a LCM first, and then after find their factors we can write the common values and multiply together. So we have value 36 and 84. So we can solving 36. So 280 the 36. So we can write 18. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So our factors of 36 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 3 multiplied by 3. Then we can solving 84. So 2 42s are 84. So we can write 42. Then 2 21s are 42. So we can write 21. Then 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So our factors of 84 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So simply we can take common values of both digits, both factors. So we have common 2 has common value because 2 comes in both digits 36 and 84. So we can write 2. Then again 2 comes in both digits. So again we can write 2. And next and last common digit of these both factors are 3. So we can write 3 and multiply both together. So 2 multiplied by 2 we have answered 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 we have answered 12. And this is the HCF of 36 and 84. Next question is find the HCF of the following by using division method. So simply you can use division method to find their HCF. So we have three digits 399, 665 and 1463. So we can divide 1463 to 665. So 665 to 2 we have value 1330 and our remainder is 133. So we can divide 133 to 665. So 133 5s are 665 and this is completely divided by 133. So our remaining value which is not used in this division is 399. So we can divide 399 to our first division value which is 133. So we can write 133 to 399. So this is again completely divide with 399. So 133 3 are 399. So our HCF of this value is 133. Next question is find the two numbers between 100 and 150 with HCF 24. So you have given HCF which is 24, and you have find the two numbers between 100 and 150. So simply you can take division 150 to 24 to find out approx of these number. So we can firstly divide 150 to 24 and 100 to 24. So 150 to 24 we have answered 6.25, and 100 to 24 we have answered 4.166. So simply we can multiply 24 to 4, which is 96, and this is not in between 100 and 150, so we can negotiate this. Number second is 24 multiplied by 5, this is 120, and number third is 24 multiplied by 6, which is 144. So these both numbers are in between 100 and 150. So we can accept these numbers and write these numbers. The two numbers are 120 and 144. The product of two numbers is 2400 and their LCM is 120, and find their HCF. So you have given the product of two numbers which is 2400, their LCM is 120, and you can find simply the HCF. So the product of two number is equals to LCM multiplied by HCF. So our required value is HCF, so we can shuffle these values. So HCF is equals to product of two numbers divided by LCM. So we can put in the values. So product of two numbers we have given 2400 divided by LCM, which is 120. So 121 the 120, and 120 20 the 2400. So our HCF is 20. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answers in summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project as 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.